This is how to download Audacity on your laptop. So let's get started. The first step is to open your browser. Then once you're here, search for Audacity download. I've also put a link in the description so you can check it out from there. Then here, select this link, download for Windows. And over here, we have different versions which we can download. So based on your system, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit, you can select either of these options. And you also have the choice between an installer or zip file. Normally, I just download the installer. So here, I'll click on download. Then select the location where you'd want to download it on your system. And you can see the download has started over here. Once it's done, you have two options to open it. You can just double click from here, or else go to the location where you saved it and double click over there. So I'll just open it from here. And now we've reached the setup page. So first enter your language, click on OK. Then click on next, next. Don't make any changes over here. Click on next. If you want a desktop shortcut, you can check this or else uncheck it. Click on next and then click on install. And then in a few seconds, this will get installed. And everything is done. Audacity has opened over here and we have all the options. If you want to start recording, stop recording, all these options are over here. There's one more thing you should know, and that's where to find Audacity and how to pin it to your taskbar. So if you want to find it, just go to the start menu and then you can search for Audacity and you'll see it over here. And if you want to pin it to your taskbar, just right click and select pin to taskbar. So this is basically how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.